The operation of the 5100 starts with the mounting of your reel. The system comes with an optional 600-pound hoist to help with this if needed. To begin with, you place your reel into the bearing housing adapter on the uprights. Next, adjust the base plates and tighten down the unit. This will secure the reel while still allowing for proper alignment by adjusting one end of the reel in or out using the adjustable base. Now rotate the frame of the mower to ensure that you have a clear path for the grinding wheel head. The next step is to adjust the grinding stone toward the reel. Do this slowly using the stone so that it just touches the edges of the blade. Move the head from one end to the other and adjust the base plate in or out so that the reel just touches the grinding stone. Now we will attach the spin motor. This motor is also adjustable and should be aligned to the reel. Use a 1/2 inch drive to attach the motor to the spin reel. Do not tighten down this motor completely. It should be able to vibrate if needed, keeping the vibrations away from the reel. Once the reel is secured and the alignment has been checked by hand, you are ready to begin reel sharpening. Now back off the grinding stone about 2 turns. Turn on the main power switch to the unit using the master power switch. A light will now go on. Press the start button, which puts power to the unit. Push the spin button, which starts the motor spinning. Notice there is a spin speed adjustment on the control panel. You'll use different spin speeds depending on the reel size. In our example, we're using a 5-inch reel and use a 770 spin speed. Now press the wheel head start. This will begin the stone spinning. Now check the movement of the grinder head over the entire reel to be sure you have a clean path. Next, set your limit stops just off the ends of the reel and adjust the ratchet to trigger 1 notch per cycle. There is also an adjustable plate behind the ratchet which will allow you to automatically stop the head from moving in or ratcheting when you have reached a sharp reel. You are now ready to let the unit do the work for you. The reel should be spun until the cutting edge from each blade is sharpened from one end to the other. You will then set up the unit to relief grind.